Viewers, the cacophony of voices decrying an undeclared emergency under PM Modi has fallen eerily silent as Kangana Ranaut's film highlighting the excesses of the 1975 emergency faces censorship attempts. The Congress and the Akali Dal's objections to the film's portrayal expose the very intolerance they claim to fight against. The same individuals who wax eloquent about free speech and tolerance are conspicuous by their silence as Kangana's film faces attacks. Their duplicity, viewers, is staggering. Where are the champions of artistic freedom and liberal values when a film critical of the emergency era is under siege? This hypocrisy, viewers, unmasks the true agenda of those who claim to fight intolerance. Their outrage is selective, reserved for instances that only suit their political narratives. When a film dares to scrutinize the darkest chapter of India's democratic history, they cower in silence. You can have differences with Kangana and her film, but remember, her film is not just a cinematic representation, it's a testament to the resilience of India's democratic spirit. By attempting to block its release, the opposition is accused of being intolerant. The silence of the self-proclaimed free speech champions, viewers, is a tacit endorsement of this censorship.
कई तरह की अफवाहें उड़ रही हैं कि हमारी फिल्म इमरजेंसी को सेंसर सर्टिफिकेट मिल गया है. इट इज़ नॉट ट्रू. इनफैक्ट हमें हमारी फिल्म क्लियर हो गई थी, लेकिन उसकी सर्टिफिकेशन रोक ली गई है क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा धमकियां आ रही हैं जान से मार देने की, और सेंसर वालों को बहुत ज़्यादा धमकियां आ रही हैं. तो हम पे ये प्रेशर है कि मिसेस गांधी के असैसिनेशन ना दिखाएं, भिंडनवाला को ना दिखाएं, पंजाब राइट्स ना दिखाएं. आई डोंट नो कि फिर क्या दिखाएं कि क्या हुआ कि फिल्म अचानक से ब्लैकआउट हो जाती है. सो this is unbelievable time for me, and I'm very sorry for the state of things in this country.
ਫਿਲਮ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਸਿੱਖ ਭਾਵਨਾ ਨੂੰ ਠੇਸ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਈ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਨੇ, ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਕਹੀ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਟ੍ਰੇਲਰ ਦਿਖਾਇਆ ਸੀ, ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਸੰਗਤਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੋਸ ਸੀ, ਉਸ ਟ੍ਰੇਲਰ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੇ ਪਲੇਟਫਾਰਮਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਗੱਲ ਦੀ ਮਾਫੀ ਮੰਗੀ ਜਾਵੇ. ਫਿਲਮ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਲੱਗਣ ਨਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ.
ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨੀਵਾਂ ਦਿਖਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਯਤਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ. ਸਿੱਖ ਕੌਮੀ ਯੋਧਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਅਪਮਾਨਿਤ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਯਤਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਫਿਲਮ ਬਣੀ ਹੈ ਐਮਰਜੈਂਸੀ, ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਨਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ ਅਕਸ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਢਾਹ ਲਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਯਤਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਫਿਲਮਕਾਰਾਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ, ਔਰ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਇਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਪੂਰਨ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਪਾਬੰਦੀ ਲਾਉਣੀ ਹੈ. ਇਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰ ਫਿਲਮ ਨਿਰਮਾਤਾ, ਫਿਲਮ ਅਭਿਨੇਤਾ ਤੇ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰ ਹੈ.
कल मेरे पास सिख डेलीगेशन, मैंने समझा छोटा डेलीगेशन है, नहीं बल्कि सारे गुरुद्वारों के मुखिया लोग जितने हैं कोर के साथ मिलकर आए हैं. वो यही कहते हैं कि भाई अब जो नई मूवी बनी है कि उसका नाम है इमरजेंसी, उसके अंदर हम सिख बरादरी को उसके अंदर बेइज्जती की गई है.
Let's open this up quickly. Karan Verma stays on. Suhail Seth needs no introduction. Joins us. Lokesh Jindal, Vivek Srivastava. They stay on. Amardeep Singh Dharni, spokesperson of the Shiromani Akali Dal. दादी साहब, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं कि आपने फिल्म देखी है?
नहीं, फिल्म नहीं देखी. सबसे पहले मैंने ट्रेलर देखा है. जो ट्रेलर देख के ही सिख भावनाओं की जो बात है उसमें बहुत सारे ऑब्जेक्शनेबल ऐसी बातें थी. देखिए, आप एक बात समझ लीजिए कि वर्ड जो इमरजेंसी है वो क्या था. इमरजेंसी 75 में लगी थी, और उस टाइम पे जो सबसे बड़ा जो डेमोक्रेसी के लिए काम किया गया था वो सिखों ने और शिरोमणि अकाली दल ने किया था. मगर इसने जो इसके पीछे से, चाहे वो सिख किसान आंदोलन की बात है, चाहे कुछ और है, देखिए इसने तोड़ मरोड़ कर उस सारी की सारी जो जितना हिस्ट्री है उसको अपने तरीके से क्रिएट किया गया है. मगर मुझे तो और एक बात लगती है,
इसीलिए धारनी साहब मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूं कि हम ये सिविलाइज डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं, एग्जैक्टली क्या आपको किस डिपिक्शन पोर्ट्रेल से बता दीजिए, फिर उस पर हम चर्चा कर सकते हैं. आपने फिल्म अगर देखी नहीं है धारनी साहब, तो आपको नहीं लगता कि ये जो ऑब्जेक्शन है, और इतना भी मतलब आप कह रहे हैं कि ये गलत हो रहा है, पहले देख तो लीजिए, जो होगा फिर आप कोर्ट जा सकते हैं.
नहीं, देखिए उसमें है जो दिखा रहे हैं कि सिखों के द्वारा बसों में से निकाल के लोगों को मारा गया, और दूसरी बात है संत जरनैल सिंह भिंडरावाला को किस तरीके से दिखाया गया और उसने खालिस्तान की डिमांड दिखाई गई. ये क्या है? ये
संत तो मत बोलिए भिंडरावाले को यहाँ पे, मैं तो अलाउ नहीं करूंगा, प्लीज. आई एम सॉरी, आपके पॉलिटिकल कंपल्शंस होंगे.
देखिए, आप आप मत करिए।
हाँ,
देखिए,
मैं नहीं, मैं तो नहीं करूंगा, मैं आपको करने भी नहीं दूंगा। You can't glorify a terrorist on Times now. I am sorry.
Absolutely.
I am sorry, Mr. Dharni, sir. I have high regards for you. You know, but I am not allowing this.
जरनैल सिंह भिंडरावाला की बात है जो, जरनैल सिंह भिंडरावाला की बात है जो, देखिए श्रोमणी गुरुद्वारा प्रबंधक कमेटी की तरफ से अकाल तख्त की ओर से उसको शहीद करार दिया गया है और उसकी फोटो है जो हरमंदिर साहब के बीच लगाई गई है।
Lokesh Jindal, what is your problem with the film? Have you watched the film?
Pradesh, first of all, हमने फिल्म तो नहीं देखी लेकिन कंगना रनौत के तेवर जरूर देखे हैं. The way she is always politically incorrect and
so you will ban the film.
Artistically irrelevant. Tell me one thing: is this film really an artistic depiction?
How do I know? I'm no one to judge.
So nobody of us has seen the movie, but we know it very well of what Kangana Ranaut is intending to do with this film.
How are you reading what Kangana is intending to do? Suhail said,
I'll tell you
this needs special talent.
Lokesh, on this panel, I'm the only person who's done more than 167 plays. I've also acted in Bhutto, which was banned by Indira Gandhi. You know why Bhutto was banned? Bhutto was banned because there's a line where Ziaul Haq is asking Bhutto that why do you have an objection to India? To which Ziaul Haq says, he says, my problem is that India also has a dictator. But no one talks about Indira Gandhi. And Indira Gandhi banned the play. The play finally came to fruition because of Jyoti Basu, who had the courage to ensure that West Bengal allowed the staging of the play. So let's not, circumvent history, number one. Number two, Lokesh Jindal or the Akali Dal gentleman or my good friend Vivek or the author Karan, none of us has the right to determine the creative ideology of a creative person. It is that person's prerogative. If that person is following the law of the land, has sent the film for censor certification, who the hell are you people to decide, yeah? Or any one of us?
No, and Suhail, it's on the basis of Tevar. Ab Tevar kya hai, Lokesh Jindal? How do you define Tevar?
Now let me tell you, let me actually now target the Akali Dal gentleman who I have a lot of respect for. I have a lot of respect for Amardeep ji. Now let me tell you, Amardeep ji, 4 things. Number 1, is it true that Bhindranwale was a terrorist? The answer is yes. Whether he got a Saropa, that's up to the SGPC. We cannot comment on that. Number 2, is it true that there was rioting? Is it true that Sikh bodyguards assassinated Mrs. Gandhi? Whether they were justified or not. And by the way, I have the greatest regard, and I've said it multitude times. In fact, I'm delighted today that the courts have stepped in for Jagdish Titler. So please, let's not get me wrong. I'm a great believer that no community in India has done more for India than the Sikhs. I will bow down to Darbar Sahib every time I go to Amritsar.
And people like Bhindranwale have brought a bad name. People like Bhindranwale have brought a bad name.
Karni Sahib, मैं तो अनु एक होल घर कवा सिखा दी जेडी contribution हगी है ना हमारे देश दे. The contribution of the Sikhs is far beyond one film. It's far beyond Emergency. It's far beyond Kangana Ranaut. No one can compare the contribution of the Sikhs to our country, and it will continue to grow.
Well said.
My point is, how the hell do you ban a film without seeing a film? Lokesh Jindal hasn't seen without seeing a film. Lokesh Jindal hasn't seen the film. He wants to ban the film.
Now that Suhail has given you the, Jyoti Basu example, I'm sure at least you will honor the late Chief Minister, the late veteran left.
He was the nicest human being, and he was the only man with courage. I have so much of respect for Jyoti Babu, you can't imagine. If it weren't for Jyoti Babu, Bhutto would have never seen the light of day.
Right. I totally agree with what Suhail sir is saying. I totally agree with him that there should be freedom of expression in this country, and people should be free to make the kind of film they want and express their creativity. I agree with it. However, if we go by the track record of what Kangana has been doing for the last few years, the kind of political line she has been taking, the way she has been attacking the farmers' agitation, the way she has been targeting old Punjabi Sikh ladies who were over there. Somebody slapped her, which I do not support, okay? And then she again comes and starts talking derogatory about the farmers. So now when you are, there is already a big psychological baggage that Kangana is carrying. This is point number 1, which you have to understand. Maybe instead of Kangana, if there was somebody else, perhaps the reactions may not have been so bitter. Number 2, Yes, there is always a law and order problem in this country.
Law and order problem, even before a film releases, you are citing law and order problem. You should be condemning. You should be, Vivek Srivastava, 1 minute. If you really believe in constitution, you should be calling out Lokesh Jindal. You should.
I have not completed.
You should be calling out Lokesh Jindal.
No.
For what Rajiv Gandhi had said. जब एक बड़ा पेड़ गिरता है तो धरती हिलती है.
Sir, मेरी बात.
And the dilly-dallying of the Congress party over decades.
No, you're not understanding. See, first of all, this is point number 1. Point number 2, if you are depicting a particular community in a film that can spark off some
have
sort
you
of a
seen the film, Vivek Srivastava?
Shows,
or do you have the same power that Lokesh Jindal has? Of judging a film by not trailer, by tevar. Yeah, this is a new on Indian television.
Sir, सुन लीजिए sir.
He is not even talking about trailer. He is talking about tevar.
बहुत से दोस्तों ने जिन्होंने ट्रेलर देखा है जो सिख कम्युनिटी के
अच्छा तो आपने ट्रेलर भी नहीं देखा, आपने दोस्तों से सुना है जिन्होंने ट्रेलर देखा है.
अरे बाबा, सरदारों को उनका धर्म है, उनको अगर आप डेरोगेटरी किसी तरीके से दिखा रहे हो और वो बोल रहे हैं तो आप कम से कम सुन लीजिए सर.
सुन लिया विवेक श्रीवास्तव, लेकिन आप अपने दोस्तों पे रिलाय मत कीजिए.
नहीं सर, आपने तो फार्मर सैनिटेशन को भी खालिस्तानी घोषित कर दिया था.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव, 1 minute.
Yeah.
You know, this you're trying to be clever. If your heart really beats for the Sikh 1 minute, if your heart really beats for the Sikh community, you would not be allying with the Congress party.
Yeah.
You would not be.
Listen to me.
Will you come out of Team India? Will you come out of the alliance?
No. You are.
Do you know how many Sikhs were massacred?
All I am saying is.
Do you know who did it?
I am saying it.
And do you know the justification? So don't
Congress. Forget.
Please, Vivek bhai, please don't force me to say things that you know that you will not like. Karan, the free speech champions are exposing themselves.
You know, Pranesh, if you just rewind back what Vivek just said, and I'm quoting, she should be cancelled for her political line. Matlab, the textbook definition of fascism, the remnants of emergency, they still are alive in that mindset. So now let me now make a larger point. Vivek has been a good friend. He's been on many debates. I remember how Vivek opposed Kashmir Files tooth and nail. He was speaking of democracy. He even opposed Kashmir Files. He said, "Bilkul nahi dikhana chahiye." Today he's talking of dharm. By the way, he's from a party that says religion is opium of the masses. Anyways, when Hindu sentiments were mocked in PK and oh my God, nobody raised a voice. People were fine with it. People said, okay, it's freedom of speech. That time, Vivek doesn't have a problem. You know, when Akbar is eulogized or when Salim is shown in a good light in Mughal-e-Azam, the same Salim, by the way, who tortured and killed Guru Arjan Dev Ji, that Salim is celebrated. At that time, freedom of expression is fine. At that time, they are fine with such a depiction. But right now, Kangana, and by the way, the one who's been singled out here is Kangana. Whether it was the CISF inspector who physically manhandled her, and it was celebrated across the net by parties like Shiromani Akali Dal, by parties like the Congress party.
Okay.
Whether it was Supriya Shrinet who said Mandi mein kya rate hai? I mean the pathetic language.
Okay, 30
Whether
seconds,
it was
we'll have to take a break. Vivek Srivastava, 30 seconds is all we have on the show.
Ask this guy to shut up now. इस बच्चे को बोलो चुप हो जाए थोड़ी देर के लिए पहले.
Let's not use this language.
अब आप सुनिए.
Shut up और ये सब मत बोलिए. Vivek Srivastava, please.
I can't help it, sir.
No, you have to help yourself or I can help you. Don't force me to do that, please. You're on national TV. Vivek Srivastava, that does not mean just because आपने कम बोला है उसका आप shut up बोलेंगे किसी को कुछ बोलेंगे.
बिल्कुल बोलेंगे सर. आप डिबेट में
देखिए बिल्कुल बोलेंगे. आप बताइए लोकेश.
हाँ आप मुझे बोलने दीजिए फिर 40 सेकंड दीजिए मैं बोलूंगा.
ये तो धमकी दे रहे हैं आप सीधे.
हाँ आप मुझे बोलने दीजिए. कंगना रनावत ने सिखों के खिलाफ बोला है. कंगना रनावत ने फार्मर्स के खिलाफ बोला है. इस सरकार ने एजुटेटिंग फार्मर्स को 800 किसान मरे थे उन्हें खालिस्तानी बोला. हम लोगों को नक्सली बोला क्योंकि हम उस एजुटेशन को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. ये महिला जो मेंबर पार्लियामेंट है, शी हैज गॉट अ बिग बैगेज ऑन हर हेड. जेपी नड्डा इसकी अपनी पार्टी के हेड को ही वाज फोर्स्ड टू कॉल हर एंड रिप्रिमांड हर वेरी रिसेंटली. ये है कि नहीं है? अब अगर ये फिल्म बनाती है जिसका ट्रेलर देख करके
अगर ये है भी तो यू विल बैन द फिल्म और यू विल गो टू कोर्ट.
I am still not complete. Let me speak.
You will never be complete. नहीं होगा सर, नहीं होगा. We've run out of time. नहीं अब आप उठ जाइए क्योंकि शो खत्म हो गया. I thank all of you. Sohail, we are completely out of time. Gentlemen, I thank all of you for joining us on India Front.